Hi, I'm Sean.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome to our kitchen.
Today we're going to be making one of my favorite pizzas of all time, and that is Italian beef and giardiniera. Like I said, this is one of my favorite pizzas, and I am really excited to be making it for you guys.
So get ready.
Because we food hard. Alright, so to get our Italian beef and giardiniera pizza ready to go here, we need to go through some of our ingredients. We have Italian roast beef. I like to get it sliced very thin, that way you're not biting into like big hunks of beef. We have giardiniera, just so we don't have extra oil on our pizza. I did put it through a strainer and then patted the giardiniera dry, just so we don't have that extra oil buildup. We have fresh shredded low moisture mozzarella cheese. We have a little bit of provolone that we shredded ourselves to top it with. If you've ever had a Italian beef sandwich, you know that provolone's a great cheese to have on it. And then we have some homemade pizza sauce. What we're going to start with here is our pizza dough. We actually rolled it out. It's homemade pizza dough, so what we did was brushed it with some olive oil, parbaked it for about 10 minutes at 450 degrees. We like that extra crispy crust, therefore that helps out with that. All right, let's get this thing dressed. Okay, so now that our pizza's dressed, we're going to put it in the oven at 450 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Again, every oven cooks differently, and since we par-baked it, we're going to keep an eye on how brown the cheese gets and make sure our crust is nice and crispy and not overdone. Alright guys, the pizza just came out of the oven. Just a side note, I know we said earlier 15 to 20 minutes at 450 degrees. This pizza actually took about 16 minutes to get the cheese where I want it. Got that nice golden texture to it, and then the crust is nice and golden brown as well. As always, if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit subscribe. Obviously this is a new project for us that we're starting out here, and we could use all the love we can get. Also, we are open to your comments and feedback. If you guys like the pizza, if you don't like the pizza, we're also open to different topping suggestions as well. We put a lot of work into this pizza here, so we just leave it with this: work hard, food harder.